Party people, hello. I go by the name of Dr. Potty. Now listen up, cause today we're gonna learn how to potty. It's real simple. There's only one place that we potty, and that's the potty. Okay? I'm gonna call them out, and we're gonna talk about where to potty. Do we potty on the couch? Do we potty on the bed? Do we potty on the clothes? Do we potty on the stairs? Do we potty on the floor? Do we potty on the floor? Do we potty on the floor? Then where do we potty? We potty in the potty. Potty, come on, potty. We potty in the potty. Woo! We potty in the potty on the couch. Come on, potty on the bed. We potty in the potty on the clothes. Then where do we potty? Where do we potty? Oh, you feel it coming? About to take a number 2. Tell your mom and daddy, cause that's what a big kid do. Going to the bathroom, sitting down on your throne. Mom and daddy smile, feeling proud, cause you know you don't potty on the couch. You don't potty on the bed. You don't potty on the clothes. You don't potty on the stairs. You don't potty on the floor. You don't potty on the floor. You don't potty on the floor. So where do we potty? We potty in the potty. Potty, potty. We potty in the potty. We potty in the potty. We potty in the potty on the couch. Do we potty on the bed? We potty. Do we potty on the clothes? Then where do we potty? Where do we potty? Let's go!
Potty people. Potty people.
Where do we go?
Potty people.
Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go?
No more diapers, 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 no more.
Put those undies on. Come on. We potty in the potty. We potty in the potty. Do we potty on the couch? Do we potty on the bed? Do we potty on the clothes? Then where do we potty?
Potty!